നമസ്കാരം. മെഡിക്കോസ് ഫാർമയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ ഫാർമസി സുഹൃത്തുക്കളും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഫാർമസി PSC എക്സാമിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. കേരള PSCയുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ ഓൺലൈനായി രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്ത ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ തുടങ്ങാം. PSCയുടെ പരീക്ഷ ഡേറ്റ് ഇതുവരെ കൺഫേമായി വന്നിട്ടില്ല. കൊറോണ കാരണം ഡേറ്റ് നീളാനാണ് സാധ്യത. Which of the following is not an adverse effect of propranolol? Lactic acidosis, depression, bronchospasm, hypotension. Question repeat. Which of the following is not an adverse effect of propranolol? Lactic acidosis, depression, bronchospasm, hypotension. The correct answer is lactic acidosis. Lactic acidosis is not an adverse effect of propranolol. We know that propranolol is used for the treatment of hypertension. Next question. Water-soluble portion of tragacanth. The water-soluble portion of tragacanth. Option A, Bazorin. Option B, tragacanthin. Option C, alginate. Option D, agadopectin. The correct answer is option B, tragacanthin, which is the water-soluble portion of tragacanth. Next question. Which among the following do not have an active metabolite? Morphine. Option A, morphine. Option B, neostigmine. Option C, diazepam. Option D, digitoxin. The correct answer is option B, neostigmine. Next question. In filtration anesthesia, to prolong the duration of action of procaine is mixed with option A, glycine. Option B, procainamide. Option C, cocaine. Option D, adrenaline. The correct answer is adrenaline. According to NDPS Act, 1985, cultivating coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant is termed as A, production. Option B, illicit traffic. Option C, preparation. Option D, manufacture. Correct answer is option B, illicit traffic. Next question. Theophylline is a non-competitive inhibitor of option A, phosphodiesterase. Option B, peroxidase. Option C, aldehyde dehydrogenase. Option D, carbonic anhydrase. Correct answer is option A, phosphodiesterase. Next question. Aminophylline is stable mixture of theophylline with which of the following? Option A, aminocaproic acid. Option B, amiloride. Option C, ethyl oleate. Option D, ethylene diamine. The correct answer is option D, ethylene diamine. The pharmacokinetic parameter that describes the efficiency of elimination of drug from the body is option A, half-life. Option B, clearance. Option C, excretion. Option D, metabolism. The correct answer is option B, clearance. Next question. Drug containing saponin glycoside as a major constituent of option A, cascara. Option B, ginkgo. Option C, brahmi. Option D, koshia. The correct answer is option C, brahmi, which contain the saponin glycosides, which is the major constituent in brahmi. Which of the following is an additive drug combination? Which of the following is an additive drug combination? Amlodipine atenolol, histamine adrenaline, sulfomethoxazole trimethoprim, thiramine MAO inhibitor. The correct answer is amlodipine atenolol. Option A, amlodipine atenolol is an additive drug combination. Okay. Next question. 5-hydroxytryptamine or 5-HT antagonist used to control chemotherapy induced nausea and vomiting. Option A, Risperidone. Option B, ondansetron. Option C, cyproheptadine. Option D, clozapine. The correct answer is ondansetron. Option B, ondansetron. Pharmacy bill introduced by the government of India in the year. Option A, 1948. Option B, 2016. Option C, 1940. Option D, 1945. The correct answer is option D, 1945. Next question. Which of the following is a nutritional deficiency disorder? Which of the following is a nutritional deficiency disorder? Option A, mumps. Option B, marasmus. Option C, mycosis. Option D, myelitis. The correct answer is option B, marasmus. Marasmus is the nutritional deficiency disorder. Okay. Next question. The immunoglobulin present in very low concentration in normal serum. Option A, immunoglobulin E. Option B, immunoglobulin M. Option C, immunoglobulin G. Option D, immunoglobulin A. The correct answer is immunoglobulin E. Option A, immunoglobulin E is the correct answer. Condition in which WBC is significantly lower than the reference range. The condition in which WBC is significantly lower than the reference range. A. Option pancytopenia. Option B, leukocytosis. Option C, leukopenia. Option D, neutropenia. The correct answer is option C, leukopenia. Okay. The condition in which WBC is significantly lower than the normal range. We know that the normal range of WBC is 4,000 to 11,000. Okay.